going to talk about assessment of work model in predicted heavy rainfall events over complex topographical urban city projects.
Thank you. And apologize for putting only my name. I wasn't even sure I'll be here. I finalized the trip on 25th and forgot to include the people who actually worked on this topic. I am a lateral entry. We work in a uh, just few slides, two slides of what exactly the project is. India has taken up a national supercomputing mission, which is meant to develop supercomputing facilities that can facilitate the access to university student also, those who may not have the access at their own system. So from anywhere in the country, you can log in the system and get an access to any supercomputer which is available for your tasks. So mainly to develop the supercomputing systems and HPC manpower development, plus development of supercomputing applications. This includes all the scientific applications from astronomy to urban climate to biomedical and natural hazards. So what CDAC is in particular doing is urban integrated environment modeling and services for the cities. So as a CDAC, what we do is we are developing a framework and that will facilitate the multiple researchers for their scientific application studies to and to the users so that they can have an application, a platform that will give them an idea of what exactly is happening in the urban environmental issues, and they can take preventive measures. That will be the final goal of this particular project. This is what exactly the project will look like when it will be rolled out in March next year. So it will have a database for all types of data that will be used in the modeling. Then CDAC is facilitating the modeling infrastructure. Currently, we have a WRF, WRF-Chem in hydrology, HICRA, HMS, and stormwater management. And for air quality, we're targeting smaller areas using CFD. So the system, with the facility of doing the research, it will have the scenarios generated based on the previous experiments by the researchers or by SEDACIAN people itself, and the final goal is to achieve the decision support, to roll out the decision support system for the municipal corporations and disaster management people, so that they can have an idea what exactly is going to be the scenario, as well as based on the forecast they can have an early warning and take precautionary measures. This is what currently we are at using WRF. We are giving this system is going to be rolled out for five pilot cities in India: Delhi, Pune, Bangalore, Bhubaneswar, and Kolkata. This will be the WRF related means weather related information system. So WRF will be run over 1.5 kilometers resolution for whole India, and based on the forecast, if there is a facility or chance of a heavy rainfall for that particular city, it will be run based on the user suggestions for 500 meters resolution. Uh, Here you can have the information of all the cities, and this is a glimpse of how stormwater because of heavy rainfall, how rivers are going to affect the flooding in the uh, city is what we can get from hydrology. Sorry. And this is a glimpse of early warning system for air pollution scenario. So whole India to district level to the Pune to the city level, you will have an early warning for air quality also. So coming back to the way we entered in this conference is for this work, heavy rainfall over Pune. So in India, heavy rainfall is from the mandate of India Meteorological Department is 65.5 mm rain per day. This is what the recent pictures also in northern Himalayan regions of India. There is a loss of property and human loss also. So, what could be the solution? We are solution enablers with the help of scientific community. Is to make available the high resolution mesoscale modeling results, availability of HPCs, that is Param series, what National Supercomputing Mission is going to uh, making available and is going to make available at 70 places. This facility will be available, and to have the availability of high spatio-temporal observations. So what exactly our team has done is they have identified the heavy rainfall events for these cities based on the criteria, and they did sensitivity analysis for domain. First, they finalized the domains from India domain to the city domain, and they did these many sensitivity analysis for chemical physics parameterizations. Around 10 events were identified before the year 2020 and 2021. They have done their analysis on those events on those years. They have done almost 80 simulations for each event, and they have finalized these schemes to be the best suitable for Pune city, and those schemes were implemented in quasi-operational runs for 2022. So, based on the runs, we are giving the information to the municipal authorities since 2022, and these are being validated with observations. So this is what the you can see the domain. The first domain is India. Then the central and southern region of India is with 1.5 kilometers, and the third one is Pune, for example, is with 500 meters. These are the schemes which have been finalized by after the rigorous experiments, and then we did some land use land cover experiments also with the various data available. So if you can see the difference between the land use land schemes cover, Modis is there, then AWIPS is India's own land use land cover data, which gives you the better representation of urbanization, and that has been validated with the satellite data also. So, just to represent, these are the we have done experiments in different seasons also, not even not only in the monsoon season, to get an idea of what are the schemes that are best suitable for the uh, final product what we are going to deliver to the community. Some of the synoptic features also have been analyzed for the source of that particular rain, and these analyses are being done on the go every day. So if you can see the effect of special distribution and the effect of different LALC data sets on Pune rainfall, you can see the AWIPS gives these are the observations. AWIPS gives the best results, and we did some experiments using WUDAP data also, WUDAP single layer and WUDAP BEP also. WUDAP BEP gives the best results, but it is very high computing resources are required, so we are not doing it operationally, and the results are being still analyzed. But AWIPS we are doing it operationally daily. So if you can see the validation results, here also you can see the AWIPS gives the best results as compared to the observations. All other parameters are also being analyzed along with the rainfall, all other weather parameters, and you can see the difference between the various land use land tours data sets. These are two different locations in the city. Some of the model versus observations analysis is done by our team is you can see the product always gives the best results. This is what we are doing daily. The input data with IMDGFS is 12 kilometer by 12 kilometer resolution, and NSIP-GFS 25 by 25 kilometers. These are the data sets we are using for the validation or comparison with the observations in situ as well as the model satellite. And this is the setup we are running every day for heavy rainfall events. as well as the heat also we are working on heat events also. These are some of the validation and verification methods our team is doing. And if you can see the extent how much accuracy, how much good results we are getting is on first day we are almost getting as good with the observations. A little bit quality forecast is degrading on day third, but still we are achieving good results that can help the authorities or the community which is dealing with the natural hazards, as well as the research people, get an idea that this is the best setup available for the city, and the data what we are providing is can be used extensively for early warning to the people, as well as for the disaster management also. So this is the summary of our work. Thank you.
Are there any questions? Yes, please.
At the beginning, I saw you share some results from you are you are preparing to do some work in CFD, right? But I'm wondering, are you preparing to use CFD to predict the highway rainfall events or not? Because
No,
me, I just saw the
no,
results
no.
from
That
both.
no,
So
that
what
CFD is
work you have done?
right now. That CFD is connected to air pollution only. So once we get an idea of pollution scenario or emission scenario over the city, we can zero on in the hotspot, 1 square kilometer by 1 square kilometer area, point out it, and run the CFD. We are using open form solver
Okay.
to get an idea of 10 meters level pollution scenario. So
What
currently it
mass
is for
resolution
air
you use?
pollution.
I mean, if, the, if you want to do some work, you use CFD, the mass resolution will exactly different between the walls. Okay,